Hello, and we are back in Unit 3, Handling Data 3. In this video, we will be discussing the idea of the median. Now, first of all, what is the median? When I say median, I want you to come up with the point in your head where it says medium. And the median is going to be the middle of the whole thing that you're working with. For example, here we have a set of values. So when you want to know the median, keep in mind that you're looking for the middle value, the middle point of all values. So we're going to work on an example, and then we're going to know how to come up with a median. So let's work together. And keep in mind that median is always the middle. The exercise says, find the median for the following frequency distribution. So take a look at this table right here. We have a column of values and a column of frequencies. And what we need is the median. First thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to add all the frequencies, and then you're going to have to divide it by 2. And since the number of frequencies is odd, we're going to add 1. So it's going to be 36 over 2, which is 18. So we're looking for the 18th value. And 0 to start with is repeated 6 times. 1 is repeated 7 times. 2 is repeated 10 times. Keep that in mind because we're going to use that for our work. But we're not going to use that way that I'm writing in the blue at the bottom of the screen. We're going to use a more easy way and a more simple way rather than just counting the numbers over and over again. So, first things first, let's take a look at the value. The value 0 has a frequency of 6, which means that it is repeated 6 times. So, up until the number 0, we have 6 times. But keep in mind, we're looking for the 18th value, so we're going to go on. Now, the value 1 is repeated 7 times, and we have stopped at 6. So, 7 plus 6 is 13. So, up until now, we have 13 values, but still not what we're looking for. Now, the value 2 has a frequency of 10, which in other words means that it is repeated 10 times. So 10 after 13 is 23. Now let's go on, and then we're going to pick out the median. 3 repeated 7 times, which leaves us at 30. 4 repeated 3 times, which leaves us at 33. And 5 repeated twice, which leaves us finally at 35. Now, let's go back to the median. We're looking for the 18th value. Now, look at the extra column that I've just made right now, and I want you to search for the 18th value. The value 1 has ended at the 13th value, and the value 2 has ended at the 23rd value, which means that the 18th value is within this one right here, so the median hence is 2. And I want you to keep another thing in mind, that when you're looking for the median is within the values and not within the frequencies. The frequency is just a tool that helps you to come up with the median and find the correct answer. So, in such case, the correct median for this exercise is the number 2, and that will be all for this exercise.